Chapter 2, The Poem on Responsibility, written by Charles Osgood. Hello students, the poem Responsibility will teach you to be responsible. Actually students, whatever you do in your life, no matter right now you are a student, so being a student, being a sports person in future, you all will be professional. So being professional, do whatever no matter, but being responsible is key for success in life and for being a successful person. If you want to be a successful or a peaceful person who want to achieve the goal and aim of your life, you need to be responsible in any field of the life. You must have to be responsible, and that is what we will learn in this poem. As for example, if you have switched on something, it is your duty to switch it off. If you have taken something from somewhere, it is your responsibility to take back again there. So this is what responsibility, and that we will learn in this lesson, in this poem. Hello students, before we start we need to discuss on few questions, as this poem is actually about responsibility, and this poem actually will teach you to be responsible. So actually here you have to answer few questions, such as the first question is, what are the qualities that one should have in order to succeed in life? So actually you have to think yourself, and you should first answer that what qualities you should have to become successful in life. But it is also important to know what is the real success and what is the success. That's also important to know. I will tell you what is the success, but as of now we just see the few words which are important to be successful in our life. So to be a successful person, to be successful in your life, you need ambition, willpower, integrity, drive, patience, optimism, resilience. So this should be the answer of the question that I asked. Actually, not I. It is the writer. It is being asked in the book. What are the qualities that one should have in order to succeed in life? If you want to have a successful career as a professional person, as a successful professional person, you need to have these qualities. And besides this, I would also like to add ambition, willpower, I would also like to add punctuality. You must have punctuality also, and including these qualities, and discipline. One of the most important quality is discipline also. In every aspect and in every field of life, discipline is also key. And this poem, students, will serve you as a great reminder that winners don't wait to be asked, they just act. It means, students, that the winners or a successful person, it means to say that they just not wait that someone will tell them to do something, someone will ask them that you should do that. They just do their own, they just do they just go by their instinct. Do not wait for something to happen or for someone and for anything for that matter. They just act. Whatever they feel is good for them, they just act, they just go for it. If you feel that this should your chance, this will give you an opportunity to do something, you will just go for that. Do not wait for anyone that your parents or your brothers, your friends would tell you, would ask you to do this, then you will do. Winners and a successful person never do like that. They always do what they feel is right for them at that point of time to do. They just do that. They do not wait for an advice, for a suggestion, and for an order that someone will tell them to do something. As a responsibility, it is our responsibility to do our own job, and with time and with full eagerness and with full heartiness. If you have to do something, you just wait that your parents will tell you, then you will do. If you have to do your homework, just do it yourself, without waiting for someone that if mother will tell you, then you will start doing. You are watching TV right now and you are thinking that the mom will come, then she will ask me, then I will do the homework. That's not, then you just do yourself. Winners do not wait to be asked, they just act. Keep that in mind. There was a most important job that needed to be done, and no reason not to do it. There was absolutely none. But in vital matters such as this, the thing you have to ask is who exactly will it? Who exactly will it be who will carry out the task? Now, students, in the first stanza of the poem, this is actually an inquisitive stanza. This stanza is asking you a question, but before putting a question in front of you, it is telling you that there was a most important job that was needed to be done. So actually, it's telling you that, there was a job that you left that to do. You did not do the job. That's what it is in past. There was a most important job. It is telling you about a very important job which was needed to be done, and by whom it was needed to be done. Who should have been the doer of that? It is you who should have been the doer. It should have been your responsibility, but you have left it. You did not do that. And then it is telling you, and no reason not to do it. There was absolutely none. And for that job that you left, that you did not do, there was no reason for that to left the job. There was no reason that you did not do the thing. You did not do the action. In many things in our life that are needed to do, but we generally forget to do that. We actually do not do that. Sometimes knowingly and sometimes unknowingly, we just do not do that. And that is what it's telling you. It's telling you that there was a very important thing to do, but you did not do that. You just missed it. And further, the poem is actually asked, now it is the poet is putting you the question in front of you. The poet is telling you that, but in vital matters such as this, the thing you have to ask is who exactly will it be who will carry out the task. Now, this is a very vital matter. Vital matter is what? Vital matter is actually the very important thing that was must to do. Vital means important. So in the vital matters such as this, the thing that you need to ask, that who would be that person who would carry out this task? Who would have been that person who would have been done this work? It should have been you. It should have been your responsibility to do that, but you missed that. That's what in the first stanza, students, we are learning, that there was something very important to do that we had to do, but we just left it. We did not do that. It is our responsibility to do that, and that is the exact problem.